In this day and age, the amount of data that exists just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and there's more of it, and we're all more interconnected, and so there's more and more of a need to process just huge amounts of data.
I'm very interested in the computer science field.
This course, this data analytics course, is all about sort of looking at just large sets of data and figuring out kind of, what can we make out of this? Like what sort of patterns do we see? What can we infer from all of this? What can we predict, based on all of this data?
I have a greater understanding of how computers process information. Before, it was like I would take a programming class and I was like, okay, I can do this to get this kind of output. Whereas in these classes, I've learned like what the computer is actually doing to get that output.
We're super excited to have this course on offering this year because, as I was mentioning, more and more there's just this, need for people that are able to work with, big data, right? So kind of provide the tools for, not only how do we kind of reason about this as kind of a human being, but also then, how do we use a computer to help us do those things?
You can learn in a college-like setting. You can learn more skills, and you can learn more concepts, which not even my high school, initial high school's computer science classes really taught.
Computers are able to process a lot more than we could ever possibly hope to do, and so they're able to help us make these sort of connections and inferences, or at least kind of help us to sort of narrow down data into stuff that is actually useful and relevant.
There's a lot of concepts that going into college I wouldn't have known had I not taken WANIC.
Doing projects like sorting algorithms and stuff like that, kind of gives you really good understanding of how computers work and how programming languages work.
I would tell other students that are thinking about this program, if they're looking for a more targeted kind of learning, I guess, I think they should really check it out because I think you can get a lot more from WANIC than what your high school would offer.
I love the program, and if you want to learn more skills and that you can apply in college or in your future in your job, I think I would recommend to take this program.